Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was a brave little boy named George. George lived in a small village at the foot of a mountain, and he was always up for a good adventure. One day, while exploring the mountain, George stumbled upon a baby dragon hatchling who had gotten lost. The little dragon was small and helpless, so George knew he had to do something to help. He picked up the dragon and carried him down the mountain, back to the village. As he walked, the dragon whispered his name, Max. And so, George named him Max and took him home to care for him. As Max grew, he became more and more adventurous, just like George. And before long, the two of them were inseparable. Every day, they would explore the forest and the mountains, looking for new and exciting places to visit. They climbed to the top of the tallest trees, and swam in the crystal-clear streams. They even flew through the clouds on Max's strong wings, soaring high above the landscape. But George's adventures didn't stop there. He and Max traveled to distant lands, seeking out new challenges and helping those in need. They fought against fierce beasts and battled wicked wizards, always standing up for what was right. Through it all, George remained brave and courageous, and Max was always by his side, ready to lend a helping claw or a burst of flame. Together, they were the best of friends and the greatest of heroes. And so, George and Max lived happily ever after, going on one adventure after another, each one more exciting than the last.